Hi, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take smart notes in Obsidian. So to take smart notes here in Obsidian, we're going to use the Zettelkasten method. So this is widely used by other people who are into studying and subdividing their own actual notes into more categories and keywords. So here I already have an example of how it would look like. So you have to go to your edit mode, of course, and edit it. You're going to have your title subcategory, your author, your link, your categories. It's going to be like article right here, literature, fleeting, notes. So there you have your categories now. You want to create those with your hashtag in the head category. Next, you want your keywords. So here in infection, you can do so, and also in pandemic. So these are going to be some of your keywords, and then you're going to also have one of your permanent notes. So there in your permanent notes, you're going to want to actually just mark it with important words. So permanent notes, you want to create a new folder for that, I assume. So you want to go to your folders and you want to go here and you want to make your permanent notes right there, and then you can link that right here with the close bracket again so that you can access it in another type of note. So there, here in your permanent notes, you can add more to your own categories. This is where you will have to reread whatever article you have and then write the most important articles, where you can create a listing like this one with your permanent notes. So you want to add the main topic of the article in the listing right here of the permanent notes, and then you can also do that with the infections and pandemic in your keywords while placing it in another subcategory in your, like this, in the article, literature, and fleeting notes. So there you go, guys. Just very simple on how to take smart notes here in Obsidian using the Zettelkasten method. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.